Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can buy your Epic gift card. Keep watching the video till the end. To buy Epic gift card, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in amazon.com and make a search. The official page of Amazon will appear on the screen. On the search box at the top, type in Epic gift card and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on any one of the gift card. Now to buy Epic gift card, select the quantity and tap on Add to Cart option. On the next page, click on Cart icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on Proceed to Checkout option. Enter your card details, pay for your gift card, and that's how you will be able to buy your Epic gift card quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.